Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken cutlets. If you hadn't seen my video on how to trim chicken breasts, check that out in the link below. You're going to need your chicken breasts, some breadcrumbs, and an egg. Just get everything set up in a nice assembly line. With the chicken, it's best to make it either as flat as you can or to pierce it and flatten it out with a fork in order to get the best cutlets. Honestly, this is my number 2 method. I tend to flatten them out usually. The secret ingredient for it adds a little bit of Pecorino Romano to your breadcrumbs. Little pepper. And dip your chicken cutlet into the egg. Wash both sides and add your breadcrumbs. Rinse and repeat. Now this whole process you can usually get done in about 15 to 20 minutes. So even though they look like you spent hours on them, it's a nice weekday meal. So I like to add olive oil, and because of the olive oil's low smoke point, add a little bit of vegetable oil to your pan. The olive oil will give it a little bit of flavor. The vegetable oil will cause it to not smoke as much. Add the chicken to the hot oil. Try to leave some space. I really didn't do the best job with that in this, but watch the edges of your chicken. Cook them down. If you have one of these splash guards, it does help with the cleanup. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll considerably cut down on oil splashing. You're going to want to turn them only once, so be very careful as to when to look at them, when to make the flip. Then put them on a cookie sheet with a wire rack so the oil drips down. Put them in the oven at about 275 while you're doing the rest of your prep. You can serve them over salad. Put some balsamic glaze on the salad. Put the chicken on it. And serve it with a side of pasta. Please like, subscribe, and comment.